are going to be doing a review on the Morphe Beauty Sponge. Today I'm going to take a deep dive into using this on my face, and if it's good or if it's, lame, we don't know. Keep on watching. Really fast, if you are not yet, please hit that subscribe button down there to join the GlamFam. I post new videos every single Tuesday and Friday, and if you click the bell notification next to the subscribe button on, you'll never miss another one of my videos. Let's get into this review. Alright guys, don't mind the wig cap. I am wearing a wig today, so we are gonna go in and do a review on the Morphe Beauty Sponge. I am really excited because I've heard really good things about this. So let me just show you what it looks like. It's actually pretty soft. It is a little stiffer than a beauty blender. You guys know I'm a ride or die beauty blender. I really can't live without it. Companies have been really stepping up their beauty sponge game lately. Alright, so this is what it looks like. This is the Morphe Beauty Sponge. It is actually pretty soft. It's not like crazy stiff like some beauty sponges that I know of. It has definitely a different shape than I have seen on other sponges. Let me go get this wet. Let's see how much bigger it gets. Here's the size right now. And here's the size in the blender after I have got it wetted. It definitely got bigger and a little bit softer. And I'm actually like really excited to use this because it feels, it feels similar, very similar to the Beauty Blender. It is a little bit more dense. I will tell you, Beauty Blender, when you squish it and then let it goes back to its regular shape pretty fast. This takes a little bit longer to go back to its shape, which to me makes it feel like it's more dense. First, I'm gonna put some contacts in. These contacts are from TTDI and they are in the color Queen Green. I will leave a link in the description plus a coupon code if you guys would like to try their contacts out. They are really cool because they come with these applicator little things with their contacts, and let me tell you, if you have long nails, right now I have short nails, but normally I have longer nails, it helps tremendously. If you have not seen my review on the TTDI contacts brand, I will link it up here so you can check it out. But you just take these tweezers and put the contact on to this little applicator, and then you just literally pop them in. What they talk about in movies, our love is what they talk about, what they talk about. Yeah, we will. Look at that. Let's move on to this review. So I'm just going to use my Milk Hydro Primer, a pump, and we are just going to put this onto our face. The foundation I'm going to be going in with today is the ColourPop No Filter Foundation. 2 pumps, and put that on my finger, and we're going to dab this onto our face. If you guys want me to do a video of me comparing the sides of a beauty blender and then this sponge, let me know. I'm super down to do that if you would like to see that. And here we go. This is the Morphe Beauty Sponge, and we are just going to start to blend this foundation in. Actually, not too bad. It is absorbing the product, which is normal for a beauty sponge. Just some beauty sponges don't absorb as much product as others. So normally this much foundation is like bordering like a medium to full coverage, but a lot of product did get lost into the sponge, so I'm just gonna take more of the foundation, just a half a pump, and put it right where I want my redness to be non-existent. All right, and then we're just gonna go in and blend that out. That looks way better. So I just used a little bit more foundation. That looks pretty good. All right, so now we're going to go in and use a cream contour stick. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills stick foundation in Fawn. I really love this color for my skin tone. We are just going to draw that on there. Make them as even as we can. But if they're not, it's okay. Don't stress if they're not. You can just blend it a little bit more. Anyway, we're just going in and putting this where we normally would. And just start to blend that up and out. Alright, I will tell you that I usually get a little bit more payoff when I blend this color out. Do you see how it's like sheared out? Which I'm sure a lot of people actually like, but depends on what, you know, what you're going for. But it did blend out really easily. The nose blended out really nicely as well. Alright, so I want my contour to be just a little bit more dramatic. So I'm just going to go in with some more underneath my cheekbones. And just focus that in a more smaller area so it doesn't just get super blended away. There we go. That's better. Now we are going to make sure that we don't use this side to blend out our concealer, and we are going to go in with the Collab concealer. This is in the shade Ivory Sand, and we're just going to place this underneath our eye where we normally do. And just go in and blend that concealer out. Actually, guys, that blended out really fast. Wow. All right. Again, I'm missing that point that other sponges have to get into my eyes with the concealer, but that's okay. All right, then I'm just gonna use really light tapping motion to do the center of my nose, just like that, and then between my brows. Now we're gonna go in and set everything, and of course I'm gonna be going in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. This is the part where I know I'm gonna notice a difference because I don't have that point at all to get up in there, so we're just gonna have to work a little bit harder to get it to, you know, set underneath where we really need it to go everywhere under our eye. So we kind of have to press a little bit harder to get into the inner corners of our eyes. And then I'm just going to put some of that translucent powder on the top of my nose. And then again, it's going to be harder to get into the sides of the nose because, again, it's lacking that sharp point that I love that the Beauty Blender has. And also some more other beauty blenders have, or other beauty sponges have. This is the Sigma beauty sponge, and it's really, I love it. I really, really like it. I did a video of a review on that sponge. If you guys would like to see it, let me know down below. I don't know why I never put it up. I do that with a lot of videos. Like, I will record them with full intention of putting them up soon, but then I just get sidetracked with other videos and I forget to, I'm not even kidding guys, I probably have like right now over 100 hours of footage that has just never been edited and put up because it's hard to edit them and get them all up and have a life as well. I'm just going to take a fluffy brush. This brush is from BH Cosmetics, and I'm just going to dust everything away. And we go in with the rest of our setting powder that was in the lid of the Laura Mercier. And I just like to pounce this all over the face. Like so. All right, that is finished. It does look very nice. I actually really like the sponge, even though there is a couple drawbacks in my opinion. It may not be a problem for you. Like if you have less of inset eyes than me, this will probably work really good for you. I enjoy the texture of it. It's very light. It's very soft on the skin. Doesn't feel like I'm punching myself with, you know, a hard object like some other beauty sponges that I've tried. All in all, I would give this a passing rating. Yeah, I really like it. So good job, Morphe. I'm going to go finish the rest of my makeup. I'll be right back. Makeup done, wig on. I did film this video, so if you want to see it, it will be up soon. If it is already up, I will link it up here. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there. It's free, and I post new videos every single Tuesday and Friday, and if you click the bell notification on, you will not miss another one of my uploads. Also, I did start my Patreon. If you guys would like to check that out, I will put it in the description below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I love y'all so much. Bye!